Oh, look, this is so cute. What's this? It's so cute. This one too. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're currently in High Point Shopping Center now, guys. We're currently outside Big W because we're doing our Christmas tree shopping today. Well, tonight, because it is already 7 o'clock at night, guys. And yeah, so we're going into Big W. We're gonna get it here because they seem cheaper compared to other places. So come with us, guys. I've got Tita Mimi, guys, and also Paris. Wait, why are you eating that? Shh. Wait, give it to mommy, please. Thank you very much. Naughty girl. Come on, let's go. So I've just got like a basket, guys, just in case we need it. But it looks so Christmassy here now, guys. Here are the Christmas trees. Oh my god. Christmas stuff, Christmas balls.
I like this one.
Oh my god, it's so cute. It looks like Jinkies. It's got like the white one with all that. Jinky Pakyo, guys. Oh my god, guys. Seriously, Christmas is probably my, best occasion. Like, OMG. I'm very excited, guys. Seriously, I just can't wait to actually get. I don't know. I like this white thing, but Daddy said white Christmas trees for like, winter. But who cares, really, guys? Right? I don't know.
Wait, this one here?
Hey, sweetie. What have you got there? Ball. Yeah. I don't really want to get like a really tall one, guys, so maybe maybe that height. I think that's good enough. But yeah, they've got a lot of options here, guys, so it just
I think
drives you crazy.
White thing.
Yeah, green. We'll go with the green one, I think. White one just looks very nice, but especially with all the bling bling, guys, it's very colorful, so that's why it looks very cute. But other than that, I think green is still the best. You reckon, Ma? Green's still the best here?
Yeah.
So that one there looks nice because it's got like this sparkly stuff.
Our bling bling will start at the middle. We can put the bling bling here because of Paris.
True. This one is height, guys, is 195 centimeters and it's $79. Decision.
I like it.
We'll have a look the other one, that one in front.
one?
This one here.
I like the black too.
Nah, I don't really want black.
White man ang balay.
No, this one. Oh, this is not very. It's very flat. It's dark green. Doesn't look very nice. Have a look this one, Mark. The skinny. No, the skinny one. No, I think the other one is the best. That one. Yeah, I think the height is just perfect. I would like the. Oh, this one is very nice, Mark.
This one, 130.
So guys, it looks like they only have one left for this one. The one that we really like. This one here. Okay. Well, we'll go and see if other places have it, guys. Maybe they have it cheaper, I don't know. Looking at other places and just getting an idea, guys, how we're going to style our Christmas tree. Oh, that's not too bad. Snow Christmas tree, it's $99. for the taller one. No? This is good. What do you think? Yeah, no, it's very hard to style, guys. Daddy will probably be the best person to do it, guys, because he's really into decorating. Oh, it's so hot. Guys, it just makes my heart smile, guys, every time I see Christmas decorations, guys. It's just, oh my god, it makes me so happy. Poppy! Which Christmas tree would you like, honey? It's nice too.
This one's nice, eh?
Yeah. I don't know. What do you think? So this is 180. The other one was 195 centimeters. So that one was taller, but we'll see. We're gonna go check out that one there, guys. Oh, they've got 30% off, Mark.
Store wide.
So maybe we can get it cheaper from here. Oh, that one's so cute.
Not too small.
No, but it's too small. Have a look at this, guys. Okay, I want to cry. I'm being extra, but we can do it like this, Mark. That one. Honey, which one would you like, Baba? Mimi.
Mamili siya ka.
Nah, it's not my thing. Oh, look, this is so cute. Oh, look at this. It's so cool. This one too. Small one, guys, 50. We need a bigger one. No? What do you think? We'll just get that one from Big W? This is so nice, guys, but I think it's over $300. I'm not willing to spend that much. It will be too small. It's really cute, but it will be too small. So that one there, Mark, $99. We'll just get the one from BW. That's $79. I think that's
Kailangan ko ulit ng ano, mas easy pa siya. Style lang.
yeah, okay. So we're gonna go check out their home, guys, and see what they've got available. So guys, we're back in Big W again. So I think we're really getting that one. Guys, I picked it up straight away because there's two people that were actually pointing at that tree, guys, and that's the only one left. So straight away I grabbed it from the shelf because, guys, if you snooze, you lose, and I really like that one. So I think we're done with that. I think that's our Christmas tree. Honey, Baba. Nah, I don't think so. That would be too much, I think. So guys, what do you think about this one? This is very colorful. It looks really nice on the white Christmas tree. I don't know how it's gonna look like on the green one, but I really like that color combination, guys.
Looks nice.
Yeah, we'll just grab that one. So that's Christmas tree, guys, and the bowl. So I'll probably grab some more. Okay. Oh! So cute. Guys, mga bata, guys, oh. What would you like, honey? So yeah, we'll probably just grab some more bling bling, guys, and then that's it because they're closing at 9, I think, and it's already 8 o'clock. This Tita Mimi down there, she's grabbing stuff. Wow, my little one is there. Mga bling bling, guys. Oh, may mako, 30% off. Isa. Doon. What else you can get? Bili mo yung star sa taas? Well, it looks nice. I think the one, the silver, ay the gold.
Wait, lagi yung gold. Wala na mga color.
Namang kagadora dali, guys, oh. Nauglawas. Tiga bukid din niya.